Very crunchy outside, very soft inside, and cheese and prosciutto ham. Wish you're here. Let's wash the rice in cold water until the water is clear. After you wash rice, soak it in cold water for 1 hour. Let's drain the water after being soaking for 1 hour. Put the rice back to the pan after you drain it. I'm cooking rice with mushroom broth for better flavors. Cover it, let it boil. It's boiling now. Let the rice absorb the liquid without the cover. Rice absorbed the liquid. Now let's put back the cover and continue cooking with low heat until the rice is done. Rice has been cooked very fast, very quick because it has been soaked. Leave it to cool down on a plate and I'll show you what's the next step. Cheese and ham for filling. Egg. I am making rice balls. It's called in Italian arancini. That's the rice, and now I'm going to flatten it on my palm. Keep your hand wet so rice doesn't stick. Put the cheese, put the ham, and close it. This is slightly bigger than chicken egg. I prefer smaller than bigger ones because the cheese inside will melt quicker without burning the breadcrumbs outside. Start dipping in egg, then into flour, back to egg, into breadcrumbs. Deep fry arancini. Try to cook it in medium heat